Good day, ma'am. I am Aina Valenzuela, the leader of Group 3. But first, let me introduce my members. First is Carol Al Vincent, Gabotero Mark Christopher, Federico Joras, Ampal Jomar, Arauco Benedict, Barcelona Cristina, and Mia John Kenneth. The title of this task is Display Module showing text, numbers, emojis, and icons. The purpose of integrating this task is to show its ability to display text, numbers, emojis, and icon. The ongoing development of display technologies continues to improve the quality, resolution, and functionality of display modules, enhancing the user's experience and expanding the possibilities for visual communication.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자. 링가링가링 링가링가링가링 링가링가링가링가링가링 손에 손을 잡고 모두 함께 즐겁게 뛰어봅시다. 둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라.
So here I am going to explain the circuit diagram and the connections of our OLED display that we have used for our task number 2. So in our OLED we have here 4 pins, namely the ground, which we can see as the red wire, then our BCC, which will be connected to our power source, then our SCL for our clock, and the other one is for SDA, which is connected to the Arduino. So as we can see here, the ground connection from the pin terminal of OLED is connected here on the ground terminal of the Arduino. So this is the only ground we have, and for the VCC, we connected it to the 5 volts terminal of the Arduino for its power supply. Then the SCL is connected, or the blue one is connected to the A5 or analog 5 or analog input of the Arduino. Then last but not the least, the SDA, which is connected here. We can see in the A4 analog input of the Arduino. So that's it.
This code is designed for an Arduino-compatible microcontroller with an OLED display using the Adafruit SSD1306 and GFX libraries. The program demonstrates basic text display and frame-based animation on the screen. It initializes the display and sets its properties, like resolution and I2C address, at the start. The setup function initializes the serial connection for debugging and the OLED screen. If the display fails to initialize, the program halts with an error message. In the loop function, the display alternates between showing text messages, future, ready, MPC, and a custom bitmap animation. The text display is managed by the display text function, which clears the screen, sets the cursor position, prints the text, and updates the display. For animation, the play animation function iterates over predefined frames stored in the frames array, displaying each frame in the center of the screen with a small delay between frames for smooth transitions. Each animation frame is a 64 by 64 bitmap defined in an array, with pixel data encoded in hexadecimal. The drawBitmap method renders these frames on the OLED, enabling custom animations like logos or moving images. This program can be extended by adding more frames or modifying the text and animation logic to create interactive or dynamic displays.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자.
We did it together. It was hard at the beginning, but we didn't give up. We did everything possible because in the beginning we had mistakes or errors called, so it took us a long time, but eventually we tried. It was nice to see help. All our effort was worth it because we were able to activate our masterpiece. We also intended to put something different, but we are running out of time, or we might make a mistake and not be able to do it, so we chose that because it is beautiful to look at, it is very detailed, it is enough for one work.
Together, and looking back, the journey was worth every challenge. It was hard at the beginning, filled with trials and errors that tested our patience and determination, but we never gave up. Despite the mistakes and setbacks, we learned and grew stronger as a team. It was amazing to witness how everyone came together, offering help and support, ensuring no one was left behind. When we finally activated our masterpiece, the sense of accomplishment was unmatched. We initially had plans to incorporate something different, but time wasn't on our side, and we didn't want to risk compromising our progress. So, we focused on perfecting what we had. In the end, the result was breathtaking. It was beautiful, highly detailed, and a testament to our collective effort. Each detail spoke of our hard work and resilience.